Hi everyone, it's Emily here with Splash Pool and Spa, and I'm bringing you another episode of Splashy Segments. I'm joined by Taylor, the associate manager here at our retail location on Centerpoint Road in Cedar Rapids, and we're talking about a certain hot tub feature that is kind of all the rage from what I hear. Tell us a little bit more about what it is we're talking about.
We're going to talk about Microsilk a little bit today.
I like it already.
An amazing feature that Marquee Spas offers.
Okay, so this is a feature for a hot tub. You said Microsilk.
Yep.
It sounds very lovely.
Like silky, maybe?
Tell me more about it. What is Microsilk?
So we actually have Microsilk turned on in this tub right here. So you actually can't see any of the seeds or the jets. So the tub is totally silked over right now. So this is what the Microsilk looks like.
I see. So if you notice here, the water is very cloudy. No, there's not a chemical imbalance here. This is intentional. This is this is Microsilk at work doing its job.
Absolutely.
So how exactly does it work?
So Microsilk is a cosmetic soaking treatment, and what it does is it exfoliates your skin and moisturizes your skin, and it's actually an entirely separate pump from your jet pumps. So it actually produces just little teeny tiny micro bubbles into the water. When that happens, the bubbles don't actually come up to the surface and pop. So they stay in the water, and so what happens is they end up clinging to your skin. They cover your entire body, anything that is exposed to the water, and that's how it moisturizes.
Okay, so teeny tiny little oxygen bubbles are produced with this other pump you said.
Yep.
And then they basically hang out and enrobe your skin in amazingness.
Yes. It's about a 30-minute treatment in total. It does take a few minutes for it to get up and going, and a lot of people actually like to use it after they've gotten their therapy, and they'll use the Microsilk before they get out of the tub. So then once they get out, their skin is nice and soft and moisturized.
Okay, and since there is a separate pump you mentioned, can you do the jets and Microsilk at the same time, or is it something where you would do one or the other and kind of do it in whatever order you want there?
Good question. It is just one or the other. So you'll use your jets like normal to get your therapy, and then you'll use the Microsilk.
Awesome. That sounds amazing, quite frankly. I know I've heard of like oxygen baths that you can, like in the big cities, they offer things like this for a pretty penny. But you can have it in your own hot tub at home every dang day if you want.
Yeah, it's definitely a luxury feature that you can add on to the tub. It does not come standard with every Marquee Spas tub, but you can definitely put it on there if you'd like. It's a really great way to detox your body as well.
Okay, so it's not a standard feature with any of the Marquee lines, but it's something you could add on if you want to treat yourself. Anything else we should know about Microsilk?
I think that pretty much covers the basis there. Am I forgetting anything?
I don't think so. If someone has questions about Microsilk, who should they reach out to?
Okay, I did actually think of something.
Okay. Just kidding. We have
another question that we get a lot when we're talking to people about Microsilk is about chemicals, if they need to do anything different chemically with the tub, and the answer is no. You will treat the spa just like you normally would. The important thing to think about is the filters, however. You really need to make sure that those filters are nice and clean, because like we said, it does exfoliate your skin, so you gotta keep those things clean.
And we say always to clean your filters like once a week.
Once per week.
Okay, so as long as you're doing that, you're in good shape.
You're good to go.
So if you have questions about Microsilk or any of the features that Marquee Spas has to offer, come in and see us. We're your local authorized dealer. We're happy to help you find the perfect hot tub for your home. We're open Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturday, 10 to 4. Until next time, we'll see you then.
I just handed you the phone.
We're on the air. How does it work?
So how Microsilk works is it's basically, let me start over. Okay. Come on, man. We'll just cut that out.
Yeah.
Okay?